Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we will be taking a look at some of the top 5 best cryptocurrency trading platforms and brokers. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let's get started. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have IC Markets. IC Markets is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks and futures. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 and cTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature raw spread and standard accounts with lower starting deposits, lower leverage, and more. IC Markets also provides their very own educational panels, which delves into beginner's guides to getting started with trading, a range of articles and written educational content, as well as a variety of video tutorials for you to browse through as you please. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have eToro. eToro is an online, fully regulated global financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, indices and cryptocurrencies. Featured platform for accounts is available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature retail and professional accounts with up to 2,000 market assets, lower minimum deposits, negative balance protection, and more. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, which cover a variety of trading topics, as well as a featured podcast and tutorial videos for you to browse through whenever you like. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, and ebooks for you to learn, watch, browse through, and read as you please. Coming in at number 2 on our list, we have XM. XM is an online, fully regulated global financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Micro, Standard, XM Ultra Low, and Shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, a variety of tradable base currency options, and more. XM also offers their very own educational center, which delves into various trading educational videos, a daily live streaming service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best cryptocurrency trading platforms and brokers, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and for all your mobile trading needs, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, and more for you to browse through whenever you like. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the Best Forex Broker, the Best Trading Experience, the Best Bitcoin and CFD Broker, the Best Affiliate Program, among many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online, fully regulated financial broker. And those are some of the top 5 best cryptocurrency trading platforms and brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.